Okay, so here's the box. I showed you that the other day. The monitor cable goes in here, and then the hot wire and ground will come out of here, and all the video cables will go in here. So that goes up there like that. Okay, so first I'll disconnect this. See what we got going here. Disconnect the camera. Disconnect the extension wire. Unplug the monitor. Okay, so this is two separate systems here. Okay, so the monitor is by itself, and that mess is by itself. Okay, so the monitor is going to go in here, and the cord's going to go out the back. In case you didn't see earlier, this I don't know how to pop it out of there. This came like this. This is two separate pieces. It came with a stand. Here's the stand that just screws on the back. I showed you how that worked in the open box video, and that probably would have been sufficient. Just drill some holes and screw it onto the desk out in the truck. But I wanted to make a box for it. So then this, I just got lucky here. It just happened to fit. I kind of had some general measurements, and I just kind of went at it one night. So I could do it like that, or I could put it down like there. Down inside there, it would block more sun. But if it's nighttime or snowing out, that's not going to matter. And then it's got this guy here where you can stick that cord through. That just snaps into place. And then that cord will go through that hole. And I lucked out there. It's just long enough to come out the back. I probably could have put it out the side if I wanted to, but I didn't plan on it being that short. Okay, and then here's the other end of the harness. So this is just going to go inside the box and come out the hole here. I guess if I wanted to, I could connect that like that. I guess if I wanted to, I could put these two together like that and plug these in. And then all that mess is inside there, and I can just kind of put a couple of screws in there to hold it together. I think I'll do that right now. Save your jars from your pre-workouts, and then put your screws in there. like these are my deck screws, so that might stick out a little bit. Let's give it a shot here. Probably only need 2 of them right now. I'm gonna pre-drill a couple holes here, so be back in a minute. Okay, so I pre-drilled 4 holes. The only bad thing with putting them together is I got these holes in the bottom. I want to screw it down to the table in the truck. So once I put it together, I don't think I'll be able to screw it in outside once I put it in the truck. I can't get to the holes from there, so I'm just going to have to take it apart again once I get outside. Well, I guess I could just use some Velcro or something, duct tape it to the table, or figure out a different way to anchor it. Okay, so there's that. I probably should put the screws in first. Let's see if I can get to it. No, I think the drill's going to be too big. Oh no, I can probably get to it. Let's see what happens here. Never claimed to be a carpenter. They're barely poking out on the other side. Just that one poke through. I guess these I left out a little bit here. Okay, so next, let's see. We'll plug in this one first. There's a little dent on this one, so you can tell where to line it up, and the dent lines up with this guy here, but that's the only indicator, so it's kind of tough to see what's going on. Okay, there's that. And now all this wire's got to go in here. Okay, so the only wire that's going to come out of here is the hot in the ground. So I'll stick that through the hole here. And then let's see here. And then the cord for the license plate camera, that's out in the truck. So I can't screw this down because I'm going to have to get inside and plug it in. So real gentle, squeeze it in there. Camera 2. Here's camera 1. I guess I could leave it sticking out, but I think I'll just do it like this for now, just to see if I can get it in there. There's camera 2. Here's camera 1. And then here's the rest of the harness. See, these big fuses are what's really messing things up. It should go, but I hate to put the pressure on those screws. I should probably solder those screws. And then that goes like that. And I already have the holes pre-drilled. I have to go get some silver screws here. Stock up on these things. These small silver screws, I go through a lot of these. You can buy them by the pack at Walmart, or buy them by the box at Lowe's. And they come in all different sizes, small, medium, long, 1 inch, ½ inch, 1 inch. But I go through a lot of these. Use them all over the place. Well, here, before we do this, let's hook up a camera. See if it's going to work, right? So let's see here. Camera. There. And then this cord will go inside. Oh, I got a mess inside there. You gotta find. We'll put this on camera 2 because that's where that camera is going to be for now. Camera 3. There's 1. There's camera 2. Now we need the power cord for camera 2. That's this guy. Close it real slowly so you don't mess anything up. you don't have a drill to use as a screwdriver, go out and buy one. Walmart has them, I think, $29. I've seen them on Amazon. Deal of the day for $29. Okay, so now we hook up the power to the charger here. Power in the ground. So let's see. Hey, it didn't blow up. Turn on the monitor. Turn on camera 2. Okay, here we go. Hey, what's going on? Hey, how are ya? One camera looking at another camera. Cool. That glare up there, that's my fluorescent lights. There's my whiteboard. I bought that whiteboard to do YouTube videos, and I never did use it. I just do everything off the computer screen. I got that cheap. I bought it from a warehouse store that sells old office equipment. I think 50 bucks, 70 bucks or something like that. Dirt cheap. There's a little coating on here. Maybe I'll wait to take that off. There's like a little, oop, break it. There's like a there's like a little coating, plastic film here. So once I peel that off, the picture might be even clearer. I've seen lots of videos on YouTube about backup cameras being blurry, and then they have to stick a relay, those little boxes, you know, a wiring box, they call it a relay. It's like a little $5 part, and that clears up the blurriness. So we'll have to see how that goes later on. Okay, see ya. Bye.